Today we are gonna do a wax on Molly's unibrow.
Not my unibrow.
I meant on her mustache. She doesn't have a unibrow anymore.
No more unibrow.
She recorded Elizabeth.
I know.
Okay. Like that.
This is her wax first.
I'm the best one in town, so that's why I'm doing this.
Applying the cleanser.
Oh, right. No, it doesn't. No, it
Now baby powder.
This is a very important part to find all my hair. Yeah. This helps me find all of Molly's hair. My friend Kaylee Davidson will love this. Putting powder on her face?
No.
Waxing her lip. Way to put her on blast. Oh, I see them.
I know, they're hot. Let's get up close and personal.
And we just leave this baby powder on and we're done.
Got milk?
Yeah, really? Sanitize my hands. Get ready for the fun part. My favorite part.
No pain, no gain.
The best part
Don't
of the
scream like Elizabeth.
day. Oh, I won't.
Apply the wax. Is it hot?
I know, it smells like blood cheeks. Okay, that kind of is not. Wow. Clients are not supposed to be talking during this procedure. Why does it look like that? Why is it on my finger? It didn't look like this when I did.
Because you didn't put that much powder on her.
Have you ever had this done before?
No.
Never?
No.
Neither have I.
Okay, don't do it. Don't.
That's
Just
okay.
leave it. I said don't do it. I just wanted to leave it on all day. Scary. Is that?
That's disgusting.
Oh, that's your makeup. I was like, oh, is that on your hair?
If that was your hair, that'd be really disgusting. It's like, Molly, you need to like surgically remove your hair. That's disgusting.
I don't know if I dare post this.
I have to get all this hair off.
Don't laugh, Molly. Put your lips in your mouth.
Okay, this is the part that's gonna hurt the most.
You like it?
Shut up, Molly.
You like it?
Okay. Yeah. And I need a camera.
Ready?
Photoshop time.
Oh my god!
It looks like it doesn't hurt, but it does hurt.
Molly, move your hand. We're trying to do something.
Especially that spot.
Oh yeah, we got those little puppies.
Those little puppies. And that's a wrap. No. What? There's more.
Pain is beautiful. That looks so beautiful right now. I'll be moping around like this, you know? You guys are so lucky I don't have like anger management here.
Oh, goodness.
Don't you feel much better?
Yes. Now that's a wrap. No tweezing.
Oh no. Where's my special handy dandy tweezers?
Okay, guys, we gotta start cleaning.
I don't think so.
My eyebrows.
It's like 4:30 already. It feels like it's like pumping blood.
I'm in the middle of the client.
It is?
I gotta do 10 more minutes.
Oh, ow. That hurts worse than the.
I don't know which one is the toner, miss.
Oh, that was your hair. That scared me.
Sorry. It hurt. That's my first time getting it waxed right
What do
here.
we do?
This one, yeah, this part was the worst. I can't. It's still numb.
Smile.
Yeah, she was red fan.
Ow.
I'm so sorry for screaming at you.
Now I can approach men because they won't think I'm a man.
And now for the cooling.
I want my eyebrows done. Just come on back to school again. What are you doing now?
And that's a wrap.
Thank you, Brittany. You're supposed to say you're welcome.
You're welcome.